Hi, I'm Paul Tumason with Collective Carpentry, high-performance prefab builder based in Invermere, BC, Canada. And today we're in Taos Ski Valley, New Mexico, roughly 10,000 feet, where we just finished another install. The designer of this project was Need Based Design based in Santa Fe. The general contractor is McGee Design, Jed McGee, and the lead carpenter and finish carpenter is Snowline Build Group. So this project was installed by our U.S.-based install crew, which consists of myself, Nate Sweeters, also based in California, and Josh Vondran, who is Snowline Build Group. We have a floor system built with a 14-inch I-joist with dense packed cellulose, which gives us about R52, and that floor panel is installed throughout. We have a wall system that's built out of an 11 7/8 I-joist with dense packed cellulose, which gives us about R44. And on the inside of that 11 7/8 I-joist structure, we have 5/8 sheathing, which also forms our air barrier. And we have a 2x6 interior wall, which acts as our service wall. It is also load bearing. That service layer allows for our subs, electricians, plumbers, etc., to install all the necessary infrastructure they need to keep the house operating and comfortable. Wall panels come pre-installed with the Mento 1000 product from 475. And this product is a membrane that is waterproof from the outside, but vapor open from the inside. And this product will end up being taped in the field. All the panel joints and the waterproof flaps at the bottom of the panels, or the overlapping flaps, will get taped. Now this project we haven't finished taping yet. And those products are this Pro Klima. This is the Invis, which matches the Mento, and we also use the Tescon Vanna, mostly on the roof where we use a Hero, which also matches. So we have a nice finished look aesthetically to the project. The tapes are the same. Obviously we have some snow here, and we just beat the storm, got our last roof panels on as it snowed. We were able to put this house together, which is about 3,200 square feet, in 6 days. There were some considerable logistics issues to work around. One being that the road to this project is very narrow and steep. So we had to unload all 5 semi-trucks in the parking lot in the ski valley and shuttle panels up to the site. Most of our projects, if not all of our projects, incorporate wood structure, timber structure, as well as steel structure. This project has a number of LVL laminated beams. So that's a 2-ply LVL header installed right underneath the roof panel in the wall panel, which forms the corner header for this seamless corner window. Also, glue lamp beams. These are typically cut and prepared in our shop. The roof structure on this project is a 16-inch I-joist with dense packed cellulose, which gives us about an R59 insulation value. The outer layer of the roof structure we used at Hero, and on the inside, to create our air barrier, we use the Intello. And both surfaces inside and out are taped. Again, our service layer, clients and the builder have the option of adding insulation, whether it be a batt insulation or a dense packed cellulose, and that'll add another R19, R20 to the insulation. Roof structures will also get an on-site built service layer, and that also can be insulated. Okay, we're going to go out on the roof and talk about the roof structure here. So this project has an element of flat roof structure, which will then have another layer to create the slope. Again, as mentioned before, our roof structure has the Solitex Hero, which is a peel and stick membrane. As you can see here on this flat roof structure, all the seams are taped. The Hero stays pretty flat, not wrinkly. Often is the case with a lot of peel and stick membrane. It's really difficult to get it to adhere properly. We really love it. We had have a tremendous amount of help from a local construction company, Duran Construction, who also was involved in the same process on the house we built last year here up the road with McGee Design. Foundation work is typically handled by the contractor. So when we show up on a project site, foundation should be ready. We will do some checks to make sure we know what we're dealing with. Maybe there's a little bit of shimming here and there to get everything level. And then at that point, we start with our floor panels and we work our way up. In this case, we had floor panels over the whole project. We had wall panels installed, and then we had to install the flat roof section here in order to finish the upper level wall system, in order to complete the roof structure.